This is a picture of Conor McGregor, and this is an AI art of this same picture generated by Midjourney. It looks even better than the original picture. And today in this video, I will teach you how can you generate AI arts like this in Midjourney. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So first, let's open Midjourney. Then come right here and type /imagine. And now you just need to paste this prompt right here. Do not worry, I will give you this prompt in the description down below, so you can copy this prompt from there. Now you see the gap between excalibur and the dash? Come right here, comma, space. So we are right now in Google and I have searched on Conor McGregor. I will click on image. Now you just need to select any image that you like. So I'm gonna select this image right here. Right click, open image in new tab. Right click again, copy image address. Then I will just paste the image link right here. So now we have to give Midjourney more information so that Midjourney can create an accurate AI art for us. So we just need to type now Conor McGregor as warrior. Then press enter. So now as you guys can see, here is the AI generated art of Conor McGregor, and guys, this is how simple it is to generate art on Midjourney. So please make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please make sure to comment down below what type of video I should be making next.